Gold and Bitcoin ETFs, the ultimate showdown. Hey guys, welcome to BitsPuls. Thanks for joining me, Andrew. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gold and Bitcoin ETFs, and man, oh man, are we in for a wild ride. Strap yourselves in. So, let's start with a little history lesson. Back in November 2004, the first gold ETF was unleashed upon the world, and let me tell you, it was like throwing a bag of gold coins into a shark tank. The price of gold had been chilling in a bear market for 2 decades, but as soon as that ETF hit the scene, it was like rocket fuel for the yellow metal. Before these ETFs came along, investing in gold was like juggling a bunch of golden eggs. You had to buy physical gold, which meant dealing with all the hassles of storage, insurance, and the ever-present risk of your precious metal disappearing into thin air. Gold miner stocks were another option, but they came with their own set of headaches, like trying to figure out which mining company was actually worth your hard-earned cash. But then, along came the gold ETFs, offering investors a way to ride the gold wave without all the annoying baggage. They were like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for gold enthusiasts, providing instant access to a liquid market without the need for insurance, transportation, or the nagging fear of your gold being replaced with a cleverly disguised lump of pyrite. The result? A glorious 8-year bull run for gold, with prices soaring by a whopping 286.90%. Not too shabby, right? So, what's the connection to Bitcoin, you ask? Well, my friends, Bitcoin ETFs are like the turbocharged version of their gold counterparts. They're bringing Bitcoin to the masses, making it as easy as pie for anyone to get a piece of the digital gold action. Just like gold ETFs did back in the day, Bitcoin ETFs are breaking down barriers and making Bitcoin more accessible to the average Joe. They're removing the complexities of self-custody and the trust issues that come with exchanges, making it a breeze for anyone to invest in Bitcoin. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Andrew, this all sounds great, but how do Bitcoin ETFs stack up against their gold counterparts? Well, let me tell you, they're blowing them out of the water. Bitcoin ETFs have achieved unprecedented growth in a fraction of the time it took gold ETFs to gain traction. BlackRock's ETF, IBIT, hit the $10 billion mark in just 7 weeks, a feat that took GLD 2 long years to accomplish. And get this, Bitcoin ETFs are not only outpacing gold ETFs, but they're also absorbing their inflows. Talk about a gold rush, but for the digital age. Some experts, like Eric Balchunas, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, believe that Bitcoin ETFs will surpass gold ETFs in assets under management within the next 2 years. Others, like Matt Hugin, the chief investment officer at Bitwise, are even more bullish, predicting that Bitcoin ETFs could reach a staggering $200 billion before the next Bitcoin halving event. Now, before you go running off to buy all the Bitcoin ETFs you can get your hands on, remember this. Investing in cryptocurrencies is like playing with fire. It's not for the faint of heart. Do your research, talk to a financial advisor, and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a like. And remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is like a roller coaster ride, so buckle up and enjoy the twists and turns. See you next time.